When it comes to hosting your WordPress site, two names often come up, Bluehost and WP Engine. But which one delivers better speed? That's the question we'll answer today. Stick with me till the end because you might be surprised at the truth behind these hosting services. First, let's talk about Bluehost. It's one of the most popular hosting providers out there and is officially recommended by WordPress. But here's the kicker. While Bluehost offers great affordability, its speed performance for WordPress websites can be a little hit or miss. Many users report decent performance, but there are also complaints about slow load times during peak traffic hours. One of the main reasons behind this? Bluehost uses shared hosting, meaning you're sharing server resources with other sites. This can sometimes slow you down, especially if you're running a high-traffic WordPress site. Next, let's look at WP Engine. Now, WP Engine is a premium managed WordPress hosting provider, and with that comes better performance in terms of speed. Since WP Engine uses dedicated resources for each site, you're not sharing your server with others, leading to faster load times. Plus, WP Engine has built-in caching and a content delivery network, CDN, to further enhance performance. But, and this is important to mention, it doesn't come cheap. You're paying a premium price, and sometimes that cost doesn't justify the marginal speed improvement for smaller sites or sites with low traffic. Now, the fourth thing to keep in mind is website load time comparisons. WP Engine's website speed is consistently better, but it's not just about raw speed. For example, Bluehost offers a feature called Smart Caching, which can help boost your site's load time, but it's still not up to par with WP Engine's out-of-the-box caching features. So, WP Engine is more tuned for high performance, but if you're looking for a cheaper option, Bluehost could still work for you, especially if you don't mind optimizing things yourself. Finally, it's important to mention that speed isn't the only factor to consider. User experience and customer support matter, too. Bluehost offers 24/7 support, but many users report slower response times. WP Engine, on the other hand, tends to have better support, especially for WordPress-specific issues. But remember, you're paying for that service. So, after trying both Bluehost and WP Engine myself, I've got to say, both are solid options, but if speed is your main concern, especially if you want a WordPress-specific experience, WP Engine leads the pack. However, I've also found something that might give both of them a run for their money. If you're looking for a better, more affordable alternative with top-tier performance, I highly recommend checking out the link in the description for a free trial. You'll get exclusive benefits only available through our link. In the end, Bluehost and WP Engine have their pros and cons, but for those truly wanting the best speed for WordPress, the choice is clear.